Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me for another video. My name's Vanessa and I do plan with me videos as well as budgeting videos here on YouTube, and I wanted to show you how I set up my weekly spread in my classic Happy Planner. I have the dashboard layout as you can see, and I use it for pretty much anything that I need to remember, including social media posts, cleaning tasks, any information about my weight loss journey, as well as tracking my hours for my regular day job. Right now, I'm just filling out little pink boxes for my social media, and I'm going to do that from Monday to Friday. So now that the social media boxes are done, I'm just splitting each day into different categories that I need to cover, including cleaning tasks for the day, my workout, as well as tracking my hours for work, and recording any days that I may have income coming in that I need to budget for. Now that I have it color coded for each category, I'm just going to go ahead and write in what everything is. So you can see in the pink, it says social media. The little blue lines for the days are any extra income. The peach lines are going to be for recording my hours worked, and the gray line is my workout for the day. Not every day will be filled in, but I like to have the option to have it available in case I do it on that day. The only thing that I don't do is social media on Saturday or Sunday. I like to take a bit of a break and just give my head some space to prepare for the next week. Now that all that is filled in, I'm going to be writing in my cleaning tasks. I like to do zone cleaning, so I like to keep it to 2 to 3 extra tasks during the week, and that way I can cover the entire house easily in 1 week. So I'm just writing in which day is going to be which task so that I keep myself on schedule. moving on to the left-hand side now, I like to make this page kind of a catch-all for the week. So I'm just adding a little space that is a flip sticker so I can add some journaling as well as some gratitude space. I like to cover up the to buy and bills to pay because I don't actually track those in my planner. I have separate areas that I budget in. So I'm just using some washi stickers from one of the budgeting books to cover that up. And I like to use this page for a bunch of different things, as you will see. And here you can see that my sticker placement is not great. If you guys are able to place stickers down properly and straight on the first try, can you please send me your tips for this, because I'm just not good at it. So you can see here I'm trying to square off that space so that the sticker doesn't seem too crooked. Luckily, the planner is just for me and I can live with it. I'm sorry if it bugs you guys. I tried to get it off and it was just not coming off. So here you can see I'm splitting up my daily things that I like to make sure that I do. So this includes daily chores like dishes, sink, counters, sweeping, things like that, as well as my AM routine and my PM routine. I've tried really hard to just remember on my own to do it, but I find I'm such a visual person that if I see it in my planner every day, there's a better likelihood that I will do it, because during my morning coffee is when I like to sit down and create my to-do list with my planner. And I find that keeps me a lot more on track than just being in the habit of doing it. I've tried really hard to make it a habit and somehow it just doesn't stick. But when I see it as something I need to do for the day, then I actually make the effort to do it. So up by the corner by the lift sticker, I like to leave a space for gratitude. I try to make sure that I write something down for at least one thing for every day of the week. And I try to use this to keep myself optimistic. I find it's really easy, especially these days, to slide into a very pessimistic place. So this way, I kind of trick myself into making sure that I'm focusing on at least one good thing that happens every single day. In this space, I'm writing down all the things that I need for my Etsy shop for the week. So I create a weekly goal for myself, and I also have a space to write my to-do list because I find so often that I have so many ideas of new products that I want to do, but this way I can actually visually see them written down and check them off as I go. And in that top space just above the Etsy square is my to-do list for my day job. In the bottom corner here, I'm just putting a space for milestones. I have a 1 and a 3-year-old, so things are changing with them so quickly that I like to make sure I record at least one thing during the week. It could be a funny quote from the 3-year-old or something new that my 1-year-old is doing. And this way I can look back on it and just scan through the milestones weekly, which is pretty cool. I'm trying something new in these boxes down here. I'm making a space for my mental health so I can record anything that's good or bad that affected my mental health, as well as what I'm doing to cope with it. And the bottom box here I'm calling it future prep. I got some not so great news about the future coming up, so I just needed a space where I can dump ideas and brainstorm and feel more in control of the situation. I don't know, are you guys like that as well? I feel like if I can map out what I'm thinking or feeling, it kind of makes it seem a little less scary or intimidating. I don't know. I know we're all going through it and the future is so unknown right now, so I don't know. Maybe I thought it would help. We'll see. All right, so I'm just adding some final touches, and that's it for this video. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and for planning with me. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.